it's Anissa. Today we have for you this EasyCharge wireless phone mount. Now I have a question. Have you struggled finding a mount that fits your vents? I know I have, and I have countless ones that we've tested out and they just don't fit. This is the first one, and I'll tell you why. It's got an extra large metal hook that extends about double most on the market, and now it will grip to my vent and stay secure. You're gonna love how easy it is to get your phone in and out of the cradle. You simply drop it in and slide it out. Now, a couple things I want to point out is it will fit phones up to 3.5 inches wide, and it does work best not to have a bulky case on it. Now, another thing about the wireless charging, your phone is completely wireless when it's on the cradle, but they include 2 different cords to plug into the cradle right here to charge. There's so many phone mounts similar to this. I know, I have a drawer full, but I haven't found any that has the quality of this and the extra long metal hook, up to 1.5 inches. That's gonna fit most vents out there. Plus, it's got a rubberized base that's gonna protect your vent. And I love the cradle. It's like hugging your phone. And let's not forget the wireless charging. It's all built into this mount. But best of all is our super low price. When you buy more, you get more. So head on over to PulseTV and grab 1 or 2 today.